Namaskar, I'm Shathi. Recently, I have read this book, Tuesdays with Mori, written by Mitch Albom. So, here I am today to share 5 most beautiful lines of this book with you all. Let's come to the main topic then. The first line says, the most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. The second line is, sometimes you cannot believe what you see. You have to believe what you feel. The third line says, once you learn how to die, you learn how to live. The fourth line says, we all have the same beginning, birth, and we all have the same end, death. And the fifth line says, don't let go too soon, but don't hang on too long. So, that's it for today. দেখা হচ্ছে আপনাদের সঙ্গে অন্য কোনো দিন অন্য কোনো ভিডিওতে। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনারা ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন আর হাসতে থাকুন। বাই।